Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be using the Dream Street palette again. I just feel like we need to do a green look. There's just too many greens in the palette for me not to use it. So yeah, we're going to go in and we're going to do a green look. I'll probably cut out me doing my face makeup because we've all seen it a million times. We don't need to watch it again. That is stunning. This is Water Bearer. We're just taking this green and packing it all over my lid. And then making a little wing at the end. So now we're going to take a little bitty blending brush. Probably this guy, this little poot that I used the other day. And we're going to use a little bit of magical. And then I'm going to take a little bit of potion right there. Might lay down very weird. It's okay, we'll just blend it out. Take this little guy. These are like super powdery, like to the point where they're going into other shades, and I don't like that, but they are blending nicely, so this green color is probably the powderiest. I don't know if like greens are becoming something that's hard to make, but that green is the powderiest out of all of them, and it's picking up in some places on my eye a lot more than I'd like, and it makes me wonder because the BH one was doing it pretty damn bad. I'm just gonna cut my crease now, we're gonna cut a halo. I'm just doing the lid, but we want a pretty wide one. So I did the mustache and me tag yesterday thinking, you know, it was funny, and apparently I was sad and depressing and I didn't know. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm going to take this guy. I'm gonna pick up this green and lay it down right on top of that concealer. Get all the green like that. Now we're going to want to take another brush. Maybe this one. And we're going to try going into this gold. And we're just placing it in the middle of that shiny green shade we laid down. Now we're going to take this kaleidoscope color. I'm just using the same brush. Spray it down. And we'll place that very middle. Okay, so now we want to take a little bit more of that green. We want to go on the outer edges just to like blend everything together. Yeah, see, it's kind of picking up in my inner corner a little bit. I don't know if you could see it, but it was definitely picking up. Alright guys, I'm going to go do my face off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to take this brush that had the brown on it. We're going to put a little bit more on. Just a little bit. It's that dark brown. Put on that bottom lash line and just put some mascara on. I still have some waterproof mascara on from yesterday, and although that's like my favorite mascara, because I'm using the makeup eraser now instead of makeup wipes and stuff, it doesn't get the waterproof makeup off very good. So my eyelashes have started to clump together, and that's not a look I'm going for, so we're just not going to use the waterproof mascara for now, even though it is one of my favorite mascaras, honestly. Long after the thrill of living is gone. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. I think that stuff smells good too. Well, I was going to use Jeffree Star's Posh Spice, but I left it in my car and my husband has taken my car to work. It's a little too pink for me for this look. It kind of looks like a Barbie doll. Muted pink. That's a lot closer. I didn't just want to go back in with Truffle Teas by itself again just because I've been using it a lot here lately, but it did give me the look I was going for, so. Alright guys, that is today's look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.